Our today's topic is what is government, part 3, chapter 3. We will conclude this chapter. Who gives the government this power to make decisions and enforce laws? So, the answer to the question depends on the type of government there is in a country. So, for that we have to study about types of government. First is democracy. The most common type of government is called democracy. People in a country can vote during elections for political parties that they prefer. Democracy is the government of the people, by the people, and for the people. Next is monarchy. A monarchy is a government ruled by a king or a queen who inherits their position from their family, which is called the royal family. In modern times, monarchies still exist in Great Britain, Saudi Arabia, Thailand, etc. They have several titles: king or queen, emperor or empress, or emir. Next one is aristocracy. An aristocracy is a government run by the people of a ruling class, usually people who come from wealthy families. Next, dictatorship. The government is run by one person who has all the power over the people in a country. In modern times, a dictator's rule is not stopped by any laws, constitution, and can last many years or even decades. Some examples of these dictators were Adolf Hitler and Joseph Stalin. Next is democratic government. Democracy, which derives from the Greek word demos, which means people, and kratos means rule, is defined as government in which the people have the authority to choose their governing legislation. It can be exercised directly by the people. Women's suffrage movement. This movement was a long fight to win the right to vote for women in the United States, which occurs in 1920 in USA. Universal adult franchising. Before independence, there was a small minority groups who cannot vote. Women were excluded from voting. Only elite and educated were given rights to vote. Gandhiji, in his Young India in 1931, demanded the universal adult franchisee, in which he quote that he cannot believe a system who has wealth can right to vote, but a person who has character but no wealth has no right to vote. So this movement was turning across the globe. After all adults in country were allowed to vote.